got mad. I got mad. I got mad.
You subscribe.
What he said.
Wallace family, Wallace family, Wallace family. It's the Wallace family.
Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy.
Wallace family, Wallace family, Wallace family. It's the Wallace family.
Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy. Like and subscribe, ayy. What's up, you? So back at it again with another video, and we are kind of quiet because the baby's asleep. I don't want to wake her up because I got something to do. So guys, as you could tell from the title, I am about to turn Jaylani into
The
Ratchet girl, period.
Ratchet girl.
Yeah, so she finna turn
I
into a
gotta
Ratchet.
be pretty.
I don't know about that, but she's gonna be a Ratchet girl. You know, she already says like period and stuff like that, which that doesn't make you ratchet, but I'm just saying she, you know, do her little thing. So we're gonna get her dressed up a little ratchet, a little, you know, scandalous. I'm gonna put her some little hoop earrings on. I'm gonna probably do her eyebrows. Put this in. I'm gonna probably do her eyebrows and stuff, and I'm just gonna make her kind of, she's gonna look older. She's gonna be dressing older because I don't know how else to do a little kid, make her look ratchet. But we're gonna get him going, because you know, y'all know how he felt about Jaylani and her doing certain stuff and her acting a certain way. So we about to get in there. I know I look a mess, y'all. It's okay because B-Day weekend coming up. I'm finna look good. Hair finna be done. Eyebrows finna be done. Lashes finna be done. Makeup finna be done. Okay. That's why I got on this waist trainer, keeping his body tight and right. Period. And that's how I need you to act. All right. Watch out. Why are you so close?
Okay.
So yeah, so he should be back. I don't know when he gonna be back, but he just had to go to the store real quick because we cooking some burgers today. So he went to go get the stuff for us to cook burgers, and I'm like, let me hurry up and do this. So we're gonna see how this outfit come out, and we're gonna see how my baby look as a little ratchet little girl. You ready?
Yeah.
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Big period. We'll see y'all in a second. Ooh, look at Miss Ratchet.
Period.
Period. Let me hear you say it again. Period.
Period.
So when daddy come, what you gonna be doing?
And say, hey bro.
Why you gotta say?
You
gotta say, hey bro, what's good?
I gotta say, hey bro, what's good?
Say you gotta be dancing like I'm Ratchet. Yeah, yeah. Step back so they can see you.
Yeah, yeah. I'm Ratchet. Yeah, yeah. I'm Ratchet. Yeah.
Yeah. And then you gonna pull out your lip gloss, right? She got her lip one earring. Let me see. Let me see your face. Let me see your eyebrows, girl. Oh, let me see your earring. Let me see it. Period. You only got one earring. We couldn't find the other one. Period, sis.
I got mad. I got mad.
Yes, I want you to do that.
Mad.
Oh, we're going to put a few dollars in your purse and you're going to pull the money out and be like, I got money. I got money.
For everybody.
No, not for everybody. Only for a few people. Okay? Why are you so close? Step back.
Whoa, you're following me.
Alright, so we ready for when he come back and we're going to set up. And you ready, sis?
Yeah.
You sure?
Ooh, it feels good out there. What she got on her ears? Who you think? You got makeup on her? Why you put makeup on her?
I ain't do nothing. She did that herself.
And why you got them big earrings on her? What do you think who do you think you is? Huh?
Stand up, let him see. Do a twist.
You got your girl. You think you cute? I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you in your mama.
I'm Ratchet. I'm Ratchet.
Nah, you a baby.
Come here.
Period.
Go take that vest off. Where you get that purse from?
That's mine.
Huh?
Not that.
Why you got her dressed like this?
Ain't nobody got her dressed like nothing. She wanted to wear this.
What?
Right?
Yeah.
With that wrinkled old shirt. Eyebrow. Why you put that stuff on her eyebrow?
I didn't do anything. She
Yes,
wanted
you
to be
did.
Ratchet, right?
Look like
wanted
she
to be
got
Ratchet, right?
Look like she had a
Turn
human
around,
bump.
twist, show off, period. Period.
And you
Come over
got a
here.
hole in your pants.
Come over here, period. And go ahead, show him
Come here.
what you got in your
Let
purse
me wipe that
and
off
sing
your
your
face.
song.
I got mad.
Pull it out. Go ahead. Do it. Come on.
I got mad. I got mad. I got mad. I got mad. I got
Show
mad.
me your dance. Period. Put the money in it. Put your money in your hand. Show 'em.
I got mad. I got mad. I got mad. I got mad.
Period.
You know you can have money without looking like that, right?
And what else you got up in your purse, sweetie?
Why you dress her like that?
What else you got in your purse, sweetie?
Yo.
What else you got in your
Let me see.
period?
Let me
Put
get-
it on,
let
sweetie.
me read it.
Put it on, sweetie. Put it
Let
on.
me see. Let me read
Put
it.
it on. Put it on.
Don't put
Period.
that on her stuff.
Period.
Why you putting it on her lips?
Period.
Come here.
Sis,
Come here.
shorty got money, sis.
Come here. Look, Jaylani, you look so pretty without all this stuff. And then this stuff won't even come off her eyebrows.
It's permanente. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey,
You wanna
I got
look?
money. I got money. Come on, let her be. Let her be. Let her be who she wanna be. Let her be. No, stop. Let her be.
Take that stuff off her,
Stop.
because then she gonna want that on her all the
Let her
time.
be who she
Take
wanna
that
be.
stuff off her.
Come on, I got money. Look at how you angry you making her. Stop. She can have the purse. Come on. I got money. 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 Let's go. I got money.
I got what? Daddy.
Jovan, come here. Take the earring out, okay? Go take the earring out. You don't want to be Ratchet. Tell him you don't want to be Ratchet, okay?
I don't want to be rich anymore.
Jovan,
What?
She got something to say.
I don't want to be Ratchet anymore.
You hear her? You heard her? You heard what she said?
I don't want to be Ratchet anymore.
You heard her? I hope that's a clean towel.
Why would I get my dirty? And this stuff. What did you put on her eyes?
That's the good eyebrow pencil.
Don't play
You heard
with
what
me.
she said?
Yeah,
Tell them.
you ain't gotta be Ratchet. You
Tell 'em.
beautiful.
It was a prank.
You pranked me? So I gotta prank you back? I gotta prank you back.
No.
Say we got money. Hey,
We got money.
look at the camera. Say we got money.
We got
We
money.
got money. We
I
got
got
money. I got money. I got money. We pranked him. Period.
Yeah.
Say period.
Period.
We got him good, didn't we?
Yeah.
It looked like it's still on your eyebrow.
It is. That stuff thick as ever.
Like I go see like this.
So did you enjoy doing this? It was funny?
No.
Yes, you did. You was too excited to do
Say
this.
no. I made that.
She got money.
You
She
did
got money.
You did that baby.
She
right?
was talking so much mess while you wasn't here. Like, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna do this. And then
You
as
know
soon as
you
you
did that
came,
baby.
she didn't even know what to say.
This is that twin. This my baby.
Yeah, y'all
This is my
twins.
baby.
Y'all both got nappy hair.
Clem, stop playing like that. Don't
Y'all
play
both
like
got
that.
nappy
This
hair.
you baby already there too.
Yeah,
No,
your
that's my
baby.
baby. Ari's my baby. You did that baby.
No, that's your.
But anyways, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Tell them like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification.
What?
Say like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
subscribe,
subscribe.
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 Period.
Period. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, period. Poo, poo, poo. Got anything else to say?
I go like.
Well, you're not going to say your outro?
It's your video.
Okay, keep God in your heart. Keep love in your heart. Wallace family out. Wallace family out.
One family out.
Peace.